What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing quarantine meal. Today we're gonna be doing fried chicken
so we can
and dumpling. So now we're gonna be seasoning with some paprika. And some spike. And then some garlic salt. And some seasoned salt. And some black pepper. So now we're just mixing all the seasoning together, and then we're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes or an hour.
Using the same seasoning that we use for the chicken.
And now we have the chicken that was marinated and the flour that we mixed together. So now we're gonna do the oil. So now the oil is hot. So now we're coating the chicken in the flour and putting in the oil. So now we're gonna flip them so they're nice and coated. Now we're gonna be removing the chicken from the pot and put it in that pan. Now we're gonna start eating. This is so good.